Destiny got a new car?
Yeah. I just got.
Come on, everybody follow. Destiny new car. All right, Destiny, tell us the features.
Everybody come in. Everybody. Shoddy.
You look like Shorty. You better swing back. Come on, kiddo, you can fit in here. You can fit right. Wait, we're going somewhere. We're not going nowhere.
We're going to a new car. We're not going anywhere. I know. I like it. I think this one's faster too, cause like once I press on.
You're not going no faster in the car.
I'm just saying.
Gosh,
But,
man.
seat warmers? Yeah, I always had it.
I don't have seat warmers.
I've seen warmers.
My last one did. But yeah, same Apple CarPlay.
Mm-hmm.
Seat warmers.
Mm-hmm.
This one like the Reverend Mary, see it light, then you go like this. It's dark. Yeah. What else? Oh, also like when if I swerve to the next lane, it will kind of pull me back without my. If I don't have my indicator on and I start like
Oh, you have blind
going
spot
over.
detector?
I had that in
that's
my
all
last car.
Oh, my car.
Okay,
Is this a 20?
somebody else turn. Somebody else turn.
I wish I had a
Let me see back seat. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, you bought this one?
It wasn't my decision.
Well, you can sell it.
Darker interior.
Destiny, a fancy. When you get this?
I think yesterday.
You think yesterday?
Yeah, I don't remember if it was yesterday or the day before.
That's a nice car, Destiny. Congratulations. You have to pray over it.
Oh, let me show you. Front has a cool.
It have a what?
Cool feature.
Look at this.
Look at this. Look
So
at
guys, how do you pop the trunk?
By putting your foot under.
it. Oh, shoot. I just kicked your car.
Go like this.
Hey!
No, but it's like depends on the credit.
Happy Thanksgiving, Babs.
Sweating.
So what is it, expensive?
But it like my last car, I think it was $265.
Cause you too big for this car. 265.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them loafers. Where you get them loafers? I don't see them ones before. That's blue.
Excuse me, we're here to see Destiny's car.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
That's it.
You leased it again?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like it.
Congratulations, Destiny.
Nice, good for you.
Danny watched the one with for Costa's birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Costa,
do?
you have a lot of family. Is that your family or is that your shit friends?
No, family.
That's blood.
That's a lot. A lot.
You see him crying like don't leave me.
Oh no, we didn't get that far. Mommy made us start doing stuff. No, she made us
I
start
thought you guys
doing
watched
stuff.
it.
So that's where you dress up. Where you going after this?
You never know. You never know. You know.
You missed church last night, Bishop. Pray for the singles child.
You shouldn't. I would have been right there. I'd been like,
We walked out.
after I picked up that, no Babin. No Babin.
Yeah, so she said to let you guys know that the reason this is her favorite holiday is because, is because she loves getting everybody together and for us to give thanks.
We have chicken. We have, I don't even know what this is. I think that's the turkey. What's this? Yeah.
Dip.
Oh, that's dip. That's mashed potato. You made that?
What else you want?
All right, that's right. That's what you want.
Only is good.
What are you walking?
Just see the sweet potatoes mashed together like this. In the American, they do Yeah. But that's the only way we made it. I didn't know you wanted sweet potatoes. No, I did that just for you and Destiny. I'm sorry, buddy. You want to try it that way?
Yes.
Okay.
What's on top of these garlic?
Then we have desserts over here. That's what you tried with carrots.
I did. They were amazing.
You did? Was it sweet?
No.
It was good? Thank you. I made those carrots. Where's your carrot?
I'll put aside.
Michaela, did you try the carrot? That's how you try the carrot?
Yes.
Justin, try the carrot?
Lovely, very nice.
Try the carrot, Justin. Tell me how it tastes. The carrot right in it.
It's hot.
That's why I'm not making a YouTube channel. That's why I'm not making a YouTube channel.
As
far as he's concerned,
can you?
So how you want people to stop digging those? How you want people to subscribe if you have a channel? Stop.
I'm gonna dig my nose in the channel.
We can just try my carrots for the first time.
I don't want to.
How's the texture? Does it taste good?
I don't like carrots.
I think it tastes good. I just don't like
Soft carrots. So out of scale of 1 to 10.
I would give it a 6.
6?
1 to 10, how's the flavor?
Oh, the flavor.
I would give it a 7, 8.
That's
The
it.
texture, you probably give like a 3.
I'm not a fan of the
What
texture.
about me?
I don't like
You didn't try the carrot?
I'm gonna give the potatoes a 1.
You got no potatoes?
You make any potatoes?
No, I'll give it a 1. That for her.
Oh, the sweet potato.
Oh.
Don't be rude to your hands, God. He didn't taste the carrot yet.
I don't like it
How you know you don't like it?
because I'm not gonna give the carrot nothing because I don't eat vegetables.
Now we have a white ball. Oh, please. I'll sit there.
1, 2. Sorry.
Abby.
Sorry. He didn't jump and catch it.
Tell the camera bye.
Bye.
We're about to go
Have fun.
Black Friday shopping, so Costa is leaving us because he's not about the shopping life. Even though he always wants something, which don't make no sense. So wish all the people happy Thanksgiving.
Everything's good. Merry
You have
Christmas.
to say it in Russian
All
because we
that.
have Russian people. Say Russian. We don't say.
Bye-bye.
No, say happy holidays then.
Happy holidays.
That's what's in Russian.
Okay, bye. We love you.
Look like she just came off of like a
Cause that's what type of music you should be listening to that you don't want us to hear. Hey, like it better.
That's me, that black in you. You can see?
Yeah, I can see.
She have dimmable lights. What you mean, bruh?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you see me?
The other one didn't auto them.
That's what you want today, babe.
What y'all did for Black Friday? Went to Walmart to get some grapes.
Like it. Just say drive safely, please. You have precious cargo in the car. Don't be switching gears like that. For groceries.
When
I like Target, but not for groceries.
When
Yeah, I like Target.
One time I lived in the West, though, she would trick me to go to Walmart. I would just go to Publix.
Yeah, I mean, we used to live in nice. We used to be with our bags on hand and in the truck. You stop in the back of the truck and
I know, but then I
cut.
remember them
And condensed milk roll around the back of the truck. Alright guys, we Black Friday shopping, same attitude. Hey! My kid roots out there so much. Gosh man. We first at Walmart because that's I need to that's what I need to get. Huh? What you need to get that though?
I need to get a cell phone.
You need to get a cell phone. You getting it tonight?
No, I'll probably make my appointment for tomorrow, but you get a ticket to make an appointment.
Oh my god, all these TVs.
$100 should I get it?
It's how much?
If it's like $100.
I would get it.
I would get it.
This one's a 72.
No, that's 72 degrees.
Oh yeah. You're right, Makita. You're right.
What do you mean?
I got it.
Wrong that way.
Wait, this is me. Everybody hold hands.
Walmart for some grapes, y'all. All of us in Walmart for some grapes.
No, we came from a $450 gift card.
Oh, and that too.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the deal on those grapes?
Did you get a deal on those grapes?
Did you get a deal on those grapes?
Alright guys, this feels like deja vu from last year. We parked over at McDonald's, walking over to Best Buy. Yeah, I kind of scared them nobody over there because last time when we parked here it was people. Alright guys, we're in Best Buy. What we gonna get? Look, you know, look the echoes. You want the echo? What's that? But what is that thing? What's the difference between this one and... What are we witnessing? Look at this. How does it rip from?
That's where your room
This is too much.
Yeah, Christmas.
Altar.
To show us that Dara, Makita, and Destiny were here.
It was in the Marshalls. And then I think
Yeah, I went to Marshall.
How, you sure it wasn't me?
Yeah, sure.
Where was I?
I don't know.
I don't know where you were. Probably at work or something.
Work? No. I don't work.
But that's, you don't remember.
It was Black Friday. It was just like around.
Oh, okay. Well, that's accurate. You remember when those glow kits was on point?
The what?
Everybody wanted them glow kits.
Yes, and I only like one shade in my glow kit. So I'm not gonna buy the whole glow kit just for one shade, but I can't buy that one shade on its own.
Which one do you like?
So in the darkest glow kit, this shade. I love that. It's like a golden shade. I love it. But look, did you see this? It's a vault of all their palettes for $40. ABH
Should I
palette.
want that for Christmas?
No.
Okay.
I don't need no more makeup.
I'm just checking.
Have you used this?
No.
I heard this is good.
Get it.
Because I don't see my other tart one. I thought the other tart one would be uncool. You like perverted?
It's only the man eater tart. This
Okay,
is what we
guess
came
that's
to Ulta, guys, for. Mascaras for $10. That's what we come for.
You got a man
Jack. Found the mirror. Oh my. Oh, y'all can tell me my hair look like this.
Did you see that?
Look at my hair. That's you know have me going also. That's rude. Gosh, anything moods are only for $15.
Joey, women, Dania, Elia, Cameron, or Bessie. So that's Cameron.
That's Bessie.
This is Bessie. Wait, where's Nora?
Nora, right here. Look, Nora.
That's why they're all still here.
For how much?
$20 and 30% off.
Okay, do you need all this brushes?
No.
Oh, come on, so 14.
I don't.
It's not bad.
I mean, that's really good. I don't need it.
Birthday.
Okay.
Wait, when someone done birthday, I was invited to that party.
It was Tuesday.
Why nobody tell me?
I don't think they're there. Wait, what? Uncle Don's birthday was Tuesday.
And nobody tell me? I don't remember nobody birthday. Mickey, see you come to America and you know that.
What?
Oh gosh. Made Ross I say. This really kind of quiet in back. We may need to feed us some Starbucks.
There's really coffee.
That's how it feels to sell in back to take her.
I don't know yet.
You feel a tap from me.
Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this vlog today, guys. It was a successful Thanksgiving. I didn't think it would be that successful because my mom wasn't here. This was the first time we ever celebrated any big holiday without my mom being here, because she normally cooks and organizes everything, but she was still able to pull it off being in Trinidad, so shout out to you, Mom. But besides that, everything went smoothly. I got to see my cousins, I get to see my aunts, my uncles, everybody was here, and we still had time to bond and do everything that we needed to do. I'm vlogging! you know, it was a peaceful day. Okay, it was, trust me. Just ignore that scene. But besides that, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving like I did. So as always, I'll see you guys in the hundreds and thousands and millions of videos I'll be doing here on YouTube.